So hello guys, following up with my previous video where a lot of you are complaining about how saturated Fiverr and Upwork is. In this video, I'm here to share with you other freelancing platforms that actually pays even way better than platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and are less saturated, meaning that they are less competitive, and this assures that as a freelancer, you are definitely going to get 1 or 2 tags frequently on those websites. And the best part is that Fiverr and Upwork actually charge you for the work you do, meaning that you pay a commission as a freelancer who uses the platform. But this particular website that I'm about revealing to you, some of them won't even remove even a dime from the amount of money you are paid per contract, meaning that if the contract you take worth up to $500, you keep the whole $500. If it's $1,000, you keep the whole $1,000. They won't take anything from you. And the best part is that they can even serve as your official portfolio and has almost every single tool you need as a freelancer. So with this already said, without taking much of your time, this is the first time on my YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money online through content creation and other means. So if you find this helpful and you need more great video like this, then help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my next video. Now the first website on our list is actually Contra. Now Contra is one of the best and pretty much a little bit new in the freelancing industry, but the truth is that they've been delivering jobs back to back due to the fact that they are less competitive and less saturated. And one thing I actually love about this platform is that as a freelancer, unlike almost other platforms whereby you have to build a separate portfolio somewhere, where you have to have a website that backs your portfolio up and a lot of that, on Contra you can basically build your portfolio in there as a freelancer, meaning that you don't have to go pay for web hosting to build your portfolio outside and all of that. Whether you're an agency, a full company, or just an independent freelancer, Contra is actually here to give you every single thing you need to do that work. And the truth is that you don't pay any dime, you don't pay any sign-up fee, you don't pay commission from any work you get on their platform. And I think this is one of the best things you ever request for as a freelancer. Now, to get started on their platform, when you come over to the website at first, which is contra.com, the initial web page is actually going to look like this, which is meant for only those who are looking for freelancers to hire. So as a freelancer, if you're on your desktop, you just click on this toggle button here. It takes you to the freelancers page, or basically you can scroll down to the footer and then tap on where it says for freelancer. Now if you have a freelancer, you go for freelancer. If you run a digital agency like me, you go for agencies. So let me say as a freelancer, just go for freelancer. Now you just click on it. Now it brings you up to this page here where you have to click on the sign up button at the top here to sign up as a freelancer. Now the approval process is very fast as compared to a lot of other freelancing platforms that can take up to a week to approve you. Over here on Contra, the approval process is really fast. So all you basically have to do is sign up, fill in your profile info carefully, make sure all your details are correct, and then you basically have to wait for a few hours to probably 2 business days, and you are good to go. So now with this already said, let's move on to the second website on our list when it comes to getting good paying freelancing job and on a less saturated basics. Now the next website on our list is actually Freelancer Club. Now Freelancer Club, unlike other freelancing websites, it's a little bit different. And the reason why it's different is because they don't just give you the access to get freelancing jobs as a freelancer, they also give you the room to actually learn on their platform. Yes, you heard me right. You can basically learn on their platform as well. So when it comes to this particular website, like as I already said at the first line, it's very unique as compared to any other freelancing website. So as a freelancer, when you come over here, there are so many menus here. You can see over here at the top here where it says Academy. Now as a freelancer, I can simply come over and click on freelancing courses. Now you're going to learn more about the freelancing industry if you don't have a lot of knowledge yet. However, not everything on this website is free. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can find jobs on this website as well, because they have some decent paying jobs. Now you can come over to their pricing option. In case you are a new freelancer, want to learn more about the freelancing industry, you can simply come over here and then upgrade to their monthly plan, which costs about $8 per month. Yes, they charge you $8 per month to get some access. However, as a free user as well, you can also apply for jobs for free. You can see it here. They also have the free plan. It's just that the paid plan actually gives you more bonus as compared to the free one. Now with that aside, let me say you are a freelancer who is looking for a job actively and come over to this platform. All you basically have to do is simply come over to where it says jobs and then click search job. As a freelancer, you click for search jobs. Now once you click over here, you can come over to profession and then filter out based on your profession that you actually want to apply for. And then the next thing is that once you filter out, you are going to get all the lists that are available here. Now you can see here are some jobs available here. They say photographer and animation freelance tutor for kids. So these people are actually looking for photography and animation freelance tutor for their children. And then you can see here they say the price is under $250. So this could be $250, £250 or euro, but it's actually not stated there. But most of the jobs on this website is actually stated in pound. So now here you can see another one here, product photographer for a resident home in Ulverston under 250 pound. So basically most of the jobs here, these are they have their description, every single thing listed here. So you can just come over here and then apply for the job straight away. Like for example, let me go look for a job that might suit someone like me. So you basically have a lot of jobs here that you can just fit out one. Let me just go for any random one. Let me click on this one. Convert files from printed to digitally written format. Now you can basically click here, sign up to apply. Now some of the jobs require you to sign up to apply, while some might not require you. So it's basically 50-50. So most of the ones that will require you to sign up to apply might attach a fee. You can see it here. They say closing soon, remote work. This one, they did not put anything there. Like this one's here, you can see that free to apply, free to apply. So not all of them that are free to apply. The ones that are free to apply tag, you can apply for 100% free. And the ones that don't have it, you have to upgrade to their premium plans to be able to do that. So in general, you basically have to just fill in whatever thing that is required. If you are required to pay for it and you want to pay, you can pay for their monthly plan. But if you are not willing to pay for it as well, there's no problem. You just have to leave that one and look for the ones that will not require you to pay for it. Now you see, you basically click on that sign up to apply and then you go for the free access here. Get it now for free. Now once you click over here, you have the options to just fill in every single information here. Once you are done with your sign up process, if you get approved by the person who is actually seeking for the freelancer, then good. If you don't get approved, you try your luck again. Now these are very unique and less competitive freelancing website whereby you personally have access to these jobs that you can apply for. If your profile matches what the person needs, you get approved. Basically that simple. Now let's move on to the third one. But before we do that, if you are still watching this video, kindly help me do a YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button. And if you are looking for other videos that will show you how you can actually make money online, then you can watch my videos that will be tagged under this description. I'll be tagging to some other videos that are related to make money online and some digital skills you need to learn going into 2025. Coming up, the third on our list is simply the OG of the industry itself, which is people per hour. We all know that people per hour, when it comes to freelancing, is the OG of the industry. Like, I think it even pays more than a lot of freelancing platforms out there, because most of the projects you are going to get on this website are basically hourly based payment, and that actually makes it really lucrative for freelancers out there. So if you are a freelancer looking for looking for the most website to get some lucrative jobs that you basically have to do within a few hours and get paid a decent amount of money, then people per hour should be your actually go-to. However, I will not say people per hour is really 100% less competitive as the rest, because people per hour has been around for a very long time and a lot of people are already aware of it, but that doesn't make it highly competitive as compared to Fiverr and Upwork as well. So for that reason, we can have it as the third on our list when it comes to less competitive freelancing websites. Now you can see over here, these are people offering their services. This is offering at 90 euro per hour, 12 euro per hour, 54 euro per hour, 24 euro per hour. So at the end of the day, it basically depends on the kind of job that you are actually offering. That is what will determine how much you are going to make at the end of every single hour of work. And every work you do on this website is actually tracked by the platform itself, which means that what both you and who is employing you is 100% safe. So now to get started on this website, you can basically come over here and click on how it works and then read about it to know more about it if you are a new freelancer who is new to this platform. And as for someone like me, I'm used to this platform. I've known this platform for over 3 years already. So I'm basically not new to it, because I've been offering digital services such as graphic design, video editing, and a lot of digital services over the years. So I'm not really new to any of these freelancing platforms. But as a freelancer, want to get started, all you basically have to do is simply click on where it says freelancer. Now once you click on freelancer, it's basically going to take you to the sign up page where you have to select that you are a freelancer who is looking to get work on this platform in order to get started. So here you can see it here. Here are the two options. I want to hire a freelancer. This is for someone who's looking forward to hire a freelancer. And then the last option here, which is I want to work as a freelancer. Now you can just click on this option here to take you to the sign up form where you can fill in your details. And in addition, you can click here to continue with your Gmail already. If you already have Gmail login and want to continue with your Gmail, you can go with this one. You can sign up with your Facebook directly if you want, or you can just click here and then fill in your information, and that's basically it. Now, most of these freelancing websites are going to pay you through platforms like PayPal and then Payoneer, so you basically need those two accounts. This is just a bonus that I'm throwing in this mid session. So in case you want to know how you can create a Payoneer account and verify it regardless of the country you find yourself, then you can kindly let me know as well. Now that is it about people per hour. So let's move over to the fourth and fifth website on our list. Now the fourth one on our list is simply we work remotely. Now we work remotely works somehow like Freelancer Club. However, they are still a little bit different because unlike their Freelancer Club, you have to pay some money to get some kind of job. Over here, you don't have to pay anything. Only those who are posting their jobs are to pay for it. Meaning that what you as a freelancer, you are likely to pay a commission when you get a job on their website. Now, we work remotely is pretty much very simple and straightforward when you come over to their interface. On their homepage, the first thing you see is that what post a job for $299. Meaning that what almost every single job you see posted on this platform is already cost the poster $299 to actually advertise that job. This to tell you that if you secure a job on this platform, your payment is 100% secured. Now, all you have to do when you come over to this website is that you can first of all see this list of jobs that are posted here. You can see and the days they were posted. This one was posted 25 days ago, and then this was posted 5 days ago. And you can basically just click on any of this one. You can see technical writer needed. So you can just apply for the position. You can come over here, read all the job details and a lot of that. Now, to actually find jobs on this website is simple. Come over to here, it says find work. And once you come over here, simply come over to top remote job searches. You can just click on it, or just come over to top 100 remote companies, advanced job search. So I basically use the advanced job search if you are looking for something that you want to specify yourself. Now over here, on this section, you can select the category of the kind of services you offer. So for example, for my sake, let me just go for design. I can see product or US designer needed, head of product designer needed, entry level user experience design internship. So now you can basically look through here. So now on this website here, you are not paying a dime. You basically have to take any job that is available, and then if you get approved for it, good. Now when it comes to the online hustle space in general, you have to keep trying your luck until one of them click for you. In content creation, I've been trying my luck since 2019, I've been 2020, and it's 2024 already before I got my click around 2022. That's 2 years of trying my luck, and I got to click in 2022. Now riding smoothly from 2022 to 2024, now entering to 2025. So basically in the online space, you don't have to sit back and then wait for something to happen. You have to keep trying until something eventually happens. Now some of the people I work with back in 2022 are still people I'm still working with now. So when it comes to freelancing in general, when you have a project with your first company that you work with, the truth is that if you deliver quality, there's still up to 70% chance that this company will come back for you again. And over time of consistent working, they might even take you on a monthly contract instead of the one that they employ you on those platforms. So one thing I would advise to do is that keep applying to these jobs. One day you eventually get approved with one of them, and when you get approved with one, next up you get approved with 2, 3, 4, 5. Trust me, that is basically all you need, because most of them are going to stick to you provided that you deliver quality job. Now back to we work remotely. All you have to do when you come over here is read the job description, get every single information you need about the job. After that, you can click on apply for this position. Now once you click on it, you come over here, they say work from home, and then now it takes you to the company website directly. Now you see it takes you over here, then you can click on apply now. Now once you click on now, you have to sign up on wherever platform that it takes you to. You sign up, fill in your information, and that's basically, or if you get approved for the job, you are going to receive an email that you got approved on this platform. And once you click on the email, to take you straight to your dashboard, and then you finish your project. Once you finish your project, the platform approves the project based on the end receiver. If it doesn't match their request, they can tell you to modify 1 or 2 things, and once that is done, your money will reflect on the platform. Then you can withdraw it, as simple as that. Now this is the fourth one on our list. So if you are still watching here, the final one, which is one of my favorite freelancing websites, because that website only deals with the top 1 or 3% of freelancers. They don't take every single freelancer, they deal with top freelancers, and then the minimum amount of money you can get paid on that website is up to $100. It's $100 an hour, nothing much, nothing less. $100 an hour or more, that is what you get on that particular platform. So if you are sticking with me, then you definitely need to check that one out as well. So now let's get into the fifth website on our list when it comes to the top paying freelancing website that you need to get into if you are a freelancer who is actively looking for a job. So hello guys, the final website on our list is actually Topto. Now as I already said, Topto doesn't approve every single freelancer out there. That's why I would say they are the least saturated platform, which means that what? There's always chance for job, and this is where most of the big time companies like Google, YouTube, Amazon, Facebook, a lot of those big time websites, this is where they actually come to employ their people, including your popular SpaceX owned by the popular Elon Musk and then the rest. So now, why are they using this specific sort of website? The reason is simple. This website only approve freelancers with quality work rates, meaning that what you need to be able to deliver quality, and then the least minimum you can make on this website is $100 per hour. So now basically, once you come over to this website, it's on here as your tag here, which says that what? Hire the top 3% of freelance talent, meaning that what? They don't approve every single person. You can see the quality of people that have previously worked, that are currently working here. You can see their quality, and then the companies they previously worked at. This to tell you that what, this website is not for every single freelancer out there. So if you get approved, if you have what it takes to get approved, good luck. But if it doesn't, just sit back and then try out every other website until you are qualified to work on this sort of website. Now basically, once you come over to this website, you can come down to their footer as usual, and then you can come over and see hire talent. So basically this is where you can come up and then sign up. So you can just click on here where it says apply as a freelancer. Now once you click on apply as a freelancer, it brings you over here where you can apply and work directly with your LinkedIn profile. But if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, unlike me, you can basically come over here and then apply as. So now once you come over to apply as, now you need to fill in what skill exactly are you actually coming to apply with. So for example, for me as a social media marketer, I'll just come over to marketing expert, then fill in my information, my full name, my email address, my password, and then confirm my password. After that, just click on apply to join Topto. And now you go on with the next one, fill in every single information that is required. When you get approved, good luck. You basically enjoy for the rest of your days. And then if you don't get approved as well, you just have to sit down, accept defeat, and then try other platforms. Now when it comes to freelancing in general, I'll tell you that nothing is 100% sure. You just have to sign up to as many freelancing platforms as possible, fill in your profile details, and then try as much as possible to always upgrade your portfolios, because anyone wants to employ you, first of all, take a look at your portfolio to see what you've done, to see that what you can actually match with your company requirement. If you don't have active work uploading or updating your portfolio, trust me, a lot of people are going to just sit back and then not even look at your portfolio, because when they want to employ you, they want to see what you've done before. And now this is a very important thing as a freelancer. Like at times, back then when I was actively looking for graphic design jobs and then doing video editing contract, on my free days, I can just pick up random projects and I just start working from there. Basically, simple as that. Now, just do this random project, use to update my profiles, and then basically just keeping them updated to make sure that what every client that comes try to see something that might suit their business in one way or the other. And this is something you also need to get on as well. And secondly, you need to get on trend designs, like designing on trending things, using them to also update your portfolio to see, to just let the company that's coming to employ you know that what you know what you are doing, and you are not just sitting back but always looking for one way or the other to improve yourself. And now this is simply all I have for you out there when it comes to the best freelancing website that are less saturated as compared to Fiverr and Upwork. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye.